Hey guys, welcome to HVAC Startup Technician, and this morning we have a problem with the blower motor. Excuse all the noise, we're at a construction site, so you might be hearing a little bit of noise, but I just wanted to show you, this is our blower motor here, right in the back here. If I put my hand here, I could feel it, and I could tell it's feeling a little stiff. It should be, anytime you're checking your system, it should be fluid, and anytime it's feeling a little bit stiff, that means we have a problem. And I'll just tell you how I know. I'll just go press this button here and start up my furnace. So my inducer is kicking in. And we seem like we have multiple problems this morning, so just bear with me. Pressure switch is closing. There you go, runner's light. So our fan should kick in shortly, and we should hear that noise. So a fan come on, we should hear that noise. There you go. See that? That's not good. Here that you're not turning at all. So what we're gonna do, I release the switch, and we're gonna this is a Goodman furnace, so we're gonna have to take off our water line, take out our board, pull the whole unit out, remove the blower motor, and see what's going on with it. So I'll see you on the next video. I'll show you exactly how I do that. Okay, take care. Okay guys, welcome back to HVAC Startup Technician, and you see we have gone ahead and remove the blower motor, and this is it here. We got it right in our hands right here, and I'm gonna turn this on its side like this, and you could see all the specs inside here. You can see it's a Goodman, but the problem we have is this. See this? This should not be happening. It is not moving as freely as it should, so we definitely have a problem with it. So what we will do is we'll have to take some of these bolts off here, and once we take it off, we will have to try to reinstall it, and I'll have to get some bigger stuff here. So this should be it. Oh, still gotta get the biggest stuff. Alright, so we're gonna come back, remove all these, reset this motor, make sure it's spinning correctly, make sure it's set correctly, and make sure it's not rushing. Alright guys, I'll see you guys. We'll continue from this later on in the day. Okay, take care, bye. Alright guys, we're back. We're still working on that blower motor, so we're gonna go ahead, and you see I went out and I got my wrench. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna remove, all of those nuts here. It's a really simple process. Just make sure you hold on to these. This is to make sure that we're not rushing. So also make sure you hold on to these. Alright. And these are the new blower motor that they just recently came out with. So you can see it's a variable speed because it got that plug here. That's a good way to identify it. And we're gonna just remove this. So let me put this on the side here. We're gonna remove this here, and we're gonna, what all we're doing is removing this and resetting this putting this back down, but making sure that when we do, the fin could spin properly, and then we could retighten it. Okay. Alright guys, so I'll see you on the next video when we come back and we try to put this in and spin it and make sure that everything is working properly. Alright guys. Okay, we're back at the furnace and we're gonna listen for the motor to see if we hear that grinding. Earlier on we were getting a grinding, so we actually resetting it and putting it back on. So we're gonna look for that to kick in to see if it fixes the problem. There we go. So here, no grinding, so I think we fixed the problem. Alright, thanks.